What's up, YouTube? All right, so right here, it's my Yoda, and I'm gonna start it up for the first time in a year. Got the battery all charged up. It has fuel in it. It should just be turn the key and go. So let's do it. I forgot the fuel pump is unplugged, I think. All right, hook back up, or it should be good. Yep, I hear it on now. Just like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Very good. This is legit. Oh, I love it when this thing's on. Need to get the wheels on. Oh, it's almost done. Fuck yeah. Idling like a boss. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah. How about them motherfucking apples? That's what's up, motherfuckers. Almost done. Almost fucking done. Almost done. Almost done. I got all new lights. I got new rear tail lights. I'm going to have this bumper taken off. I'm going to have it redone. I have different wheels I'm going to put on. Yeah. Shit's going to be legit.